Creating a virtual machine in Google Cloud Platform allows you to run applications, host websites, and perform various tasks in the cloud. Here's a concise guide. Log into GCP. Sign into your Google Cloud Console using your Google account. Select or create a project. Choose an existing project or create a new one to host your VM. Navigate to Compute Engine. In the GCP console, go to the Compute Engine section. Create a VM instance. Click Create to launch the VM instance creation wizard. Provide a name for your VM. Choose a region and zone where your VM will be hosted. Configure machine type. Select the number of virtual CPUs and the amount of memory for your VM. You can choose from predefined machine types or customize your own. Boot disk. Define the OS for your VM by selecting a boot disk image. You can use Google provided images or upload your custom image. Specify the size and type of the boot disk. Identify and API access. Set access scopes, service accounts, and other identity related configurations as needed. Firewall and networking. Configure network tags and firewall rules to control incoming and outgoing traffic to your VM. SSH keys and admin users. Add SSH keys to enable secure access to your VM. Define user accounts with admin privileges if required. Create and start VM. Review your configuration, then click Create to launch your VM instance.